viewers. I'll speak today about the Tier 5 temporary worker visa. These types of visa for UK charity, if they want to hire any charity worker for unpaid work from overseas, and they can use Tier 5 charity worker visa route. In this video, I'll speak about the procedure you can hire employee from overseas, and how the applicant can apply for entry clearance visa application. So the first requirement of this route is certificate of sponsorship for the employee. The employee obviously will come to the UK for unpaid work, but still some charity licensed charitable body need to sponsor the employee, and the charity what have to do, they need to request the Home Office by using their SMS management system to issue a course, which is certificate of sponsorship, and the Home Office will issue a certificate of sponsorship digitally. So if you apply using your SMS system, within a minute or within a second, they will issue a certificate of sponsorship online. You will get it on your SMS account or by email. So once you get the certificate of sponsorship from the Home Office, it will be the personal details of the applicant, and also will be a specific reference number. So you can send the letter digitally by email, a soft copy to the applicant, and they can print it and use it, and they need to submit this letter with the application at the relevant embassy. So this is the certificate of sponsorship, very important document. And the next, there is no issue for salary, because the applicant will come for unpaid voluntary work. There is also no requirement for English language proficiency. The applicant doesn't need to provide any English language certificate. Maintenance fund, which is also a requirement, you must have, the applicant must have £945 in his bank account for 3 months, and if you have any dependent come with you, then also you must have £630 for each dependent, and you need to provide a bank statement that you had this money in your bank account for 3 months. Currently, the Home Office application fee is £244 for each applicant, and in addition to the Home Office fee, you need to pay the immigration health surcharge, which is currently £400. How to apply? You need to apply online. So I'll show you how can you apply online in the screen. You need to go to the Home Office website and take some help from Google. And if you go to the temporary worker charity worker section, because Tier 5 temporary worker cover a couple of sector, such as temporary religious worker, creative and sportive sector as well. So you need to go to the charity worker visa section, and if you click apply online, this will take you to the next page for apply online. So here is the link for application. If you click on apply online, then it will take you to the UK immigration and visa application portal. In the application portal, what you have to do, you need to fill up all this section digitally, and in fifth section you need to pay the Home Office fee and the NHS fee, and then it will take you to the next section. In the final section, you will get a link to download your application form, document checklist form, and a consent form as well. So you need to print all this document, and you need to sign the consent form, and then you need to make an appointment as well with the relevant embassy to submit your document and passport. So in the appointment, you need to take your passport, your certificate of sponsorship, document checklist, consent form, application form, and any other supporting document, bank statements such as. So all these documents you need to submit with the relevant embassy. And what the relevant embassy will do, they will send all these document to the Home Office. Home Office means the anti-clearance officer, and the anti-clearance officer will make a decision about your application. If they give visa, you are lucky, you will come to the UK. In case if they refuse, the remedy is you can apply for administrative review. Administrative review is basically someone else in the embassy will review your application, review the decision of fellow employee. But if they do not change, that means if they refuse the application again, you can challenge it by your judicial review. You cannot appeal against the decision. Once you come to the UK, then you need to comply with the condition of your visa and your sponsor. If you do not comply, then what the sponsor can do, they can withdraw the sponsorship and inform the Home Office, and the Home Office will curtail your visa. If you come to this visa, you can bring your family member with you as well. You cannot work on any other employment which is paid work, but you can work 20 hours unpaid work in any other charity. You cannot claim public fund, means you cannot claim any social and welfare benefit. You cannot work on employment basis for paid work. These are the restrictions on this visa route. If you need any help with regard to the procedural or legal help, if any charity need help to hire an employee from overseas, or if they need any help with regard to the sponsor application to the Home Office, our team are very happy to help you. You can contact to via my email address or via WhatsApp, and someone will contact with you when they will receive any request from you. Finally, thank you very much to watch this video.